There's somebody here. There's somebody here. No, 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 no. Can take that. That, that. Where is he? Where'd he go? It's you, isn't it? Can I see some spiders? That'd be nice. No, that didn't knock back. What's knockback? I don't know. What is lag? How am I getting lag like that? I'm not hosting a server. I don't understand. That's where I'm gonna build my house. Oh, hello. Yeah, die. Might as well get the XP while we can. We got nothing better to do. Actually, we could be gathering resources. XP is a resource, but could be gathering nice resources like wood. Wood. Ah! What are you? Oh, you're just a zombie villager. Okay. That was the coolest skin ever. I saw your legs and I was like, you're not a normal dude. What are you? He was like, I don't know. I don't know who I am. I told him, that's okay. This question often occurs during adolescence. But I don't think he was an adolescent. Do zombies have ages? Like, do you celebrate your zombie birthday? Food for thought. It's nice that we have this oak forest. We have that big, big ocean, though. Or I don't know how big of the ocean it is, but it seems to be pretty large. Maybe, if we eventually want to get a mushroom biome, that'll be the ocean that it's in. 'Cause, you know, mushroom biomes are cool. Okay, so we're getting a good amount of wood here. See a skeleton up there. I don't think that skeletons are as easy as they used to be. Coal. Need to get down into the mines eventually. Probably do that once I get all settled in. Need some cobblestone. That's what I need. Okay, there's nobody here. Also gonna get some of this. I think it's andesite, right? Yeah, it's andesite. It's like granite, andesite, diorite. But I think I have an idea for what I want my house to be. It's just gonna be like a building, not like a. I guess it'll go into the mountain. But that spot that I pointed out earlier, that's where it's gonna be. I figured it out. I'm trying to plan it out in my head, but it's really not working. My pick's gonna break. My pick broke. Quite good timing there, if I do say so myself. So this mountain is where it's gonna be. Oh, it's almost already daytime. Sweet. Hello, little zombie. I'm going to run from you because I do not want to fight you without a pickaxe. Let's not make an iron pick. Not yet, anyway. What are we doing? Making you? We're making progress. That's what we're making. We're gonna make a place to live. That might have been a mistake, actually. That might have been a mistake. Ah. Okay, now. Let's get some of this. Get out of here. Whoa, that did not knock you back now, did it, buddy? Are you kidding me? Get out of my face. There. Mobs will probably spawn in there. I don't know. It's gonna be like a nifty little ouch. It's gonna be like a, I'll show it to you. It's such a nice spot, I think. Oh yeah, it's a great spot. Except for you. You can go away. Hmm. Hmm. Actually, nah, we'll use it. We'll use it. We have to start terraforming though. It's gonna be like a big castle, and then this is gonna be part of it. I'm gonna extend that out. It's gonna be a bunch of stone, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be functioning. Yeah, trying to think. It's way too big of a project for me to undertake right now, actually. We just need to build the castle part. We don't even need to make it look that nice yet. We need to get a farm going. That's what we need to do. We have nice beachfront here, so we can plant all our sugar cane. Just get this laid down so we can get going on the homestead, my dudes. This is not the greatest place to put your sugar cane. I discovered that just a second ago. There you go, that works. 7 seeds, that's not even like enough. Just gonna dig up some dirt because I need it for the place of planting. Should it be like a future castle? It's gonna be kind of a castle-y thing. Should it be like a techno castle? Just made that word up. That's a new word. Copyright, patent pending, all that jazz. Let's see. Ah, there we go. Okay. We need to get out into the water. Oh, this gets deep fast. Holy. Let's see. M. That's even, right? Yeah, okay, that's correct. And then... That's so slow. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious, this is slower than molasses in January. Boop. Underwater, I'm not even going to try that. Okay, wait. Then we can make this dirt. That's even, right? Yep, it is. Okay. I could go around with you. I can do it like this, actually. I want it to look nice, but I want it to be functioning. And mobs can't spawn on farmland. And they cannot spawn on half slabs. So I won't even need to light it up. Let's see. I probably made way too many slabs for this. That's okay though. We'll find another use for them. Eventually. Hopefully. Oh my goodness. All of the misplacements. And it'll all get watered by the ocean. Need to get to the crafting bench. And make us a wooden hoe. And we can plant our seeds. One moment.
Not there, not there. I don't even have my axe on my hotbar anymore. Goodness gracious. I want it to look nice, but I want it to be functional. Break, hurry. Goodness, break. Why have you not broken yet? Are you kidding me? I am literally going to drown, trying to break a half slab. Are you serious? Maybe this little dude will just live down here forever. How close is it to being broken? This is not gonna kill me. There! Suck it. Okay, this is what I wanted to do. Ha! Success. No! Yeah, that'll look weird. Just how I like it. Okay. Okay, now we can eat. Goodness, that was difficult. See, now it's like a little boat. It's a floating garden. Just like Babylon, the hanging gardens of Babylon. Also, I don't think that no matter how much I walk from this to this, it won't hurt the farmland. So that's cool. See, they're getting liquidized. Okay, we're gonna get more seeds. See, effective farm. I like that farm. Let's see. Don't know why I'm picking this up. I have a good reason. Oh, I remember, yeah. I'm terraforming so I can make a castle. This castle needs to be on flat ground, you know. Once the shovel breaks, I'll start building the walls. Let's see. How do andesite that's polished, how does polished andesite, I can talk. Does polished andesite look with like cobble? I'm gonna test that out once we finish this. So I think that might be our base. I'm excited for this. It'll be nice looking, I think. And it'll be functional. All our stuff is growing, so okay. That'll work. How do okay, I'm gonna just our little homestead will be right through here. Oh, it's so slow. Oh my gosh. Okay, first thing though, iron pick, we're ready. I think we can do it. That's fine. Bucket was my other thought, but we're fine. We'll live in here until we can establish ourselves in the home. Or the other place, you know. Keep saying homestead. Okay, what I meant was this. Like, could I make this look good to get, I don't need you. Let's clean this out just a bit while we're at it. Okay, like and then add these. I just like want to look at that color. What else? What are our other options? I mean, oh, I like this. This looks good together. These will be our blocks. Should we leave this? Don't want to do a big opening. Or we will do a big opening, but I don't. I have auto jump off. I was gonna say, I was like, did it just auto jump me? I've turned that off multiple times because that is annoying. Okay. Three wide, that's so big. Oh my goodness. Let's start putting you around it. Flatten this guy out. Have you ever seen those like speed builds where it's a time lapse of something that's just absolutely immense? Because I have, and they're just really big. Don't want any macaroons spawning up here. So place these everywhere. So we'll just do this everywhere. Yep, that'll work. Mobs won't spawn in here. We need to make a animal pen. That's where we're gonna make it. But actually, I don't know. Ah, that is a big mountain. Oh my gosh, what's our Y level now? We're at like 100 now. That's got like at least 60 blocks on this. We're looking at that. We're gonna. Oh, there's so much to do. Mm, where do we want our animal pen to be? It's gonna be a pain getting him up here, actually. We can just make a makeshift one and then use the fences from it to make the new one once we have a better idea. Okay, wait, is it like this? Oh, that is so expensive. Oh my gosh. Can we do... We can't do this anymore, can we? Oh, yeah, we can. They just look weird. Do 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 do. There's a skeleton right there, darn it. Okay. This is not permanent, I promise. It'll be terrible looking, but it is not permanent. Okay. Let's at least actually make it stripy. Pew, pew. Wait, will this... Okay, it will. Okay. No, axe. Just do it with the axe, darn it. Then two. Yeah, we'll step you up, step you up. From you, we'll go down. See, this doesn't look bad. Pew, 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 pew. We'll put torches on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. No, get out. They take so long to kill now. Can we put it right there? Darn it. We'll just have to put it in the middle. I can't jump on the fence. Because Minecraft physics are functional. Congrats, Minecraft. Okay, put it there. We don't have any wheat to do anything with, so we'll just wait until... We should kill some skeletons, actually. That's what we should do. Yeah. We need to get this farm up and running fast, because
We're getting low on food because we can make bread with it and we can, yeah. So we're gonna go skeleton hunting so that we can grow things. We also need some more wood. Yeah, I'll fight you. Boom. One down, a billion to go.